Okay, listen, because it is so dark out here, I mean, the sun's starting to go down a lot earlier than normal. Well, it's normal for this time of year. We're going to do all the prep inside the house, better lighting in there, and really ought to stay out here and keep an eye on this place. Anyway, stick around. These, 1, 2, 3, these are the last 3 Nature's Choice cedar planks that there is. Unless somebody else somewhere else has it, this is it. Larry, thank you. A job well done. Great product. I wish somebody else would kind of pick up on what Larry did with these amazing planks. We're going to cook the burgers on the planks. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. We don't have Bison. We're using Wagyu. Almost as good. Anyway, stick around. Okay. Alright, there go your onions. All over the counter. Alright, next. Need a tablespoon of Chubb. This is my preferred brand, 78. I think it's local, I'm not really sure. And about a tablespoon. I'm gonna say, whoa, that might be a little bit more than a tablespoon. It's okay. About that much ground mustard. Just like that. All by sight. That's about right there. Alright, and then here we have 1 pound of what should have been Bison. Every store that we checked, there's no Bison anymore. I guess this is my fault. So this is Wagyu beef. Wagyu. Just about as good as Bison, not quite, but better than regular old, ground beef. We're just gonna mix this up. We're gonna make probably 3 or 4 patties. Okay, my friends, here they are. The last 3 Nature's Choice cedar planks that I have. Perhaps the last 3 Nature's Choice cedar planks there are. I hate to say it, but... And you know the drill here. We're going to lay them down on the cooking side, facing down, so that we kind of kill any bacteria or any other wee beasties that may be on it. Won't take long at all. All right, our last 3 Nature's Choice cedar planks have been seared over the hot flames. Rid of the wee beasties. I know the wee beasties are going to miss these planks as well. Not much you can do about that. All right, and I'm going to put these kind of close to the coals, if not right over the coals. So we have 3 planks and 4 burgers. I will make this work somehow. And this is not going to take long. All right, and finally this one. There we go. All right, we'll just let that go for a little while, get all that smokiness on there. Gonna be good. See you in a few. Okay, we are about 5 minutes in, mission elapsed cooking time. Let's see how we're doing here. Look at that smoke rolling. Woo! Listen to that sizzle. Listen to those cedar planks popping. It's still a little on the raw side here, but that's all right. Nowhere near moving them off of the planks. Want to get some of that smoky flavor on both sides of these burgers. There we go. That one, because there was a little crack between 2 planks, it's cooking a lot faster. Woo! You know what they say, smoke gets in your eyes. Don't let it happen while you're trying to flip some burgers out here, man. All right. do sort of want this flame going, but we're hungry, so I'm gonna put the lid back on. We'll be back, as Fred would say. All right, a few more minutes has passed. As you can tell, I've got the cedar planks doing what they're supposed to do. You know what? I'm gonna wait for that one because there's a straggler over there, right? Yeah. All right. So we're gonna move these off. Don't you just love plank cooking? I know I do. All right. And this one, mind my fingers. I don't mind my fingers.
Shut up, dog.
Yeah, shut up, dog. All right, we're gonna cover this up just for a few more minutes. We're gonna give them a final sear in mere moments, so stick around. Okay, a few more minutes has passed. I think I might be losing battery on one of my lav mic, one of the sending unit or the recording unit or whatever. Who cares? At this point, lay these burgers pretty close to the coals. You're gonna get sear on them. They're still a little bit needy of some more heat. And don't worry about the planks. They're gonna start smoking here in a minute because the flame is touching them. Play with your food. Oh man, these things smell all kinds of some kind of wonderful, man. Woo! They're kind of shrinking a little bit. That's okay. That's what they're supposed to do. These are going to be 2 double burgers. So, just so you know. And I'm going to garnish a couple of these after I toast the buns, of course. I'm going to garnish with probably some provolone or some maybe any kind of an Italian cheese. I'm kind of in that mood tonight. I'm going to toast these buns up real quick. Very quick. That's ready. Lay him down there. Ooh, that's definitely ready. God, that's hot too. You got a spatula, man. Why don't you use it? Good idea, inner voice. Let that one go just for a smidge. Meanwhile, the burgers are going to get a final sear. Okay. You gotta play with your food. Ooh, that is hot. Don't play with it too much though, you know. And this is our final sear. Because there are so many ingredients in these burgers that this sear will not take long, and the smoke is just enveloping my camera. Hang on. Flip them over, see how we're doing here. Get them off the coals a little bit. We don't want to burn anything. Come here, you. This one is stubborn. Ooh, I see a big chunk of garlic in there. I think that one's mine. All right, these are almost done. Give them another few minutes. Gonna be good. All right, boys and girls, we are in the home stretch. It's time to, ooh, that flame is hot. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Well, for you American guys, it's Parmesan, whatever. That's about all the toppings I want. I might put some chup on here. Our good old 78. Who knows? All right, home stretch achieved. I see the finish line. Let's go. At the sign of the cat approves. The cat says, good job. The cat says, you better give me some. Sorry, cat. Cats don't eat burgers. Well, I guess well, yeah, scratch that, they do. Cats love burgers. And so do dogs. Shut up, dog. We'll be back in mere moments. These things are ready to come off. I'm gonna go outside. I'm already outside. We're gonna go inside, dress them up, and have at it. See ya. I believe the piece de resistance is about to be unveiled. Woohoo! Melty cheese. The burger shrank up quite a bit, but that doesn't mean they won't be full of flavor. I'm gonna get these inside real quick. You see that? I'm gonna eat. See ya. Before I take my first before I take my first bite of this awesome burger, I want to say thank you, Larry. I know you're no longer with us, but maybe you can hear us. You helped make Smoky Goodness what it is today. I mean, the smoke from those cedar planks are amazing. And it's too bad. You can buy cedar planks now, but they're thin. I'm not sure they're full cedar like Larry's products was. They were Nature's Choice cedar planks. If you find Nature's Choice cedar planks anywhere, I doubt you will, but if you do, buy them. All right. Enough rambling. How does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? Let's find out. Oh, I don't know, or something like the everything burger or something, but this is good. This might be the best cheeseburger on the... Yeah, I did put some Parmesan cheese on here. Helps it out. This is good. I guess next time we try this, we're going to have to try some off-brand cedar planks. See if they work. I mean, they probably will, but are they pure like Nature's Choice? We don't know. Anyway, see you next time.